Hello students, this is Miss Arveena Lee, Faculty of Mount Litra, Z School Jhansi. So students of class 3, today in this video lecture, I will explain you a chapter that is chapter number 23 given in your English grammar book, that is expressing future time. Children, future time expresses the future tense is a verb tense used for a future activity or a future state of being. As children, future tense of a verb is formed with the help of will or shall. So children, we use future time when the person speaking is speaking about something which is going to happen in the future. We also use future time to make a promise. Children, remember, future time is expressed using will plus base form of verb. For example, they will visit us next Sunday. So, children, the action is not in the process, it will happen on next Sunday. So, that is why the sentence is expressing the future time. Children, we use will plus not to express future time in the negative form. So, children, the action which is not going to happen and we are going to express that in future time. So, we are going to use will plus not to express the sentence in negative form. For example, they will not visit us next week. So, children, here the action is not going to happen in the coming future. So, that is why we will use will not to express the time in the negative form. Children, will is also used to ask questions about the future. For example, will they visit us next week? So here you are going to use will, then the noun or the pronoun in the sentence to ask the question in the future time. So children, here are some words that are used to express future time. For example, tomorrow, next week, next Monday, tomorrow afternoon, next month, tonight, tomorrow evening, next year. So children, if these words are coming in the sentence, that means the sentence is expressing the future time. Now children, the use of shall. Future time can be expressed using shall for I and we, or will for other nouns or pronouns. So children, mostly with I and we use shall. For example, I shall help you. We shall not attend this meeting. But children, these days it is common to use will with all nouns or pronouns. But in questions, shall is more commonly used with I and we. For example, shall I open this for you? Shall we go to the park now? So children, this is how we express the future time by using will and shall plus base form of verb.